Today, we're diving into a landmark announcement that sparked serious excitement across the investment community, Growthpoint's partnership with RSA Aero to develop the Cape Winelands Airport just outside Cape Town. It's been called one of the most significant private aviation and logistics infrastructure projects in South Africa's history, a development that is set to redefine connectivity, unlock regional growth and catalyze new property opportunities across the Western Cape.
We bought this airport in 2020, and then we came across this very unique option where if we are a closer destination alternate and we can service bigger aeroplanes, we save the airline industry in the region of about R1 billion a year. And that required us to build a longer runway. We'll look inwardly at everything we do, but we also have a massive outward impact on the environment insofar as that we save the airlines from day one, in today's terms, based on today's number of flights, 22 million litres of fuel per annum. So if we build this airport and we don't have one flight landing at us, we have saved the environment 60 million kilograms of carbon emissions.